Hey guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So today we're talking about what basic skills you need to start an Amazon business in 2022. These skills are like absolute basic requirements that you must have in order to start this business. So let's get into it. Number one, you need to be computer literate. Like literally, I'm not joking. You need to be able to use, spreadsheets. You need to be able to work tech, because Amazon is online based. Like it's literally a website where you will list products, and that's not where your work stops. That's where your work actually starts. You need to be able to do research. You need to be able to optimize your PPC campaigns, which is very tricky. So a lot of the times, like past few weeks, I've been talking to people, and I'm just discovering that there is this whole misunderstanding about Amazon, that Amazon is just going to do everything for you. It's not true. It's not true at all. Amazon just provides you a framework, and they just expect you to be able to use their technology to list your products. And then it's your job to actually make money on their platform, because they don't have any problem taking your money from you in terms of fees, advertising spend, and things like that. They don't have a problem with that at all. So make sure before you think about and going ahead with this business that you understand that you need to be computer literate. You need to be able to use spreadsheets. It's like the bare minimum requirement for this business. Number two is you're going to need a lot of money to start this business. I recommend that you minimum have at least 5 to 10K saved on the side. You're not going to spend all of that in one go and one shipment, but you need to be able to have that money on the side. And you are starting a business. There are risks involved. Like there is no guarantee of profits, and then you're going to have to order inventory. That is an upfront expense, and you can pretty much think about it in that way, that okay, I've ordered 1,000, 2,000 pounds of inventory. That's my bare minimum product cost. Now I need equal amounts, fund on the side to be able to actually sell this product on Amazon, because we need to run ads for it. So that's just bare minimum. There is no guarantee that your product will sell out within the first few weeks. It might take you months to get reviews in, get started, run the ads, and all the rest of it. It's a proper business. Okay, so you should have that money on the side, and then you're just starting off. Like just because you have started off doesn't mean you have a guarantee of success. A lot of the people who are doing Amazon businesses, they start off very small. They reinvest their profits, or even if they're not making any profit, because they see the potential of, we're getting revenue, we're selling products, let's try a different product. Maybe your first product might not work out. You might have to clear it out, and just take that hit. And this is like a realization, and you need to have before you think about starting this business. Number three is hiring help. If you want to hire a coach or a consultant to help you get your business started, get you off the ground, and help avoid mistakes, and if you end up going for a low-priced offer, you shouldn't be surprised, because you are getting what you pay for. Anybody who is offering a cheap Amazon course or an offer, and if they are not responding to your emails, it's because they don't want to do the customer service. It's as simple as that, because they're just interested in selling you that cheap course. They've made their money, and here you go, there's a method, and go do your business. And the problem with that is you're gonna have a lot of questions. You're gonna want to ask help from somebody, and if you don't have that kind of access, you're not going to get it at a low price. It's as simple as that, because it's a stressful business. If somebody is coming to work with you and they're taking the stresses on to help you navigate things on Amazon, they should be charging for that, and you shouldn't have any problem paying for it. You go to a specialist to get that specialist help. For example, for myself, if you wanted to work with me, obviously my offer is not available as a buy box. You can't click and buy. I'm asking people to email me, and then I want to talk to you and evaluate like if it would be a good fit to work together. Because what I've discovered is there's a lot of misunderstanding about working on Amazon. And, you know, people think like, I'm just going to send my, you know, inventory to Amazon. It's just going to start selling, and like, why am I not making any money for it? Well, it's like, who gave you guarantees that your first product is going to take off? Your first product is supposed to be a test. You're testing the system. You're learning about the system, how it works. And obviously, if you haven't developed a product that people would pay a premium for, you are fighting in the low levels where you are basically, you know, dropping prices, trying to clear your product. And especially if you're doing Amazon FBA, like Amazon FBA fees are going up in US. I think, as I've said before, they're going to follow suit everywhere else in other marketplaces too. So, you know, there are fees involved with this business. There are expenses, big expenses involved with this business. So if you're hiring help, try to go for somebody who is actually going to respond to your emails, give you access to the support that you deserve. So if this video has provided you some value, some good insight, then please give it a like and share so more people can see this, and, you know, these misunderstandings could be, you know, removed about this Amazon business. And if you have the budget to start, you know, this online business on Amazon, which is one of the toughest business in online space, email me at hello@farahfinds.com and let's see if we can work together. I will see you next time.